In this video, we will take a look at the different methods to generate sample text in a Word document, using the inbuilt rand function. Open a new document. On a new line, type the rand function as shown. Make sure there is no space between the = sign and the rand function. Press Enter. Microsoft will generate certain paragraphs of the sample text. How much and what text is generated depends on the version of Microsoft Word being used. To generate the standard, the quick brown fox text, a different function is used. On a new line, type the rand function as shown. Press Enter. Microsoft will generate certain paragraphs with the standard, the quick brown fox text. To generate the traditional Latin default text, a different function is used. On a new line, type the lorem function as shown. Press Enter. Microsoft will generate certain paragraphs of the traditional Latin default text. You can also specify the number of paragraphs, and the number of sentences for the paragraphs. Let us show you this, using the rand function. On a new line, type the rand function, defining the required number of paragraphs and the number of sentences in each paragraph, as shown. Press Enter. For the example used, Microsoft will generate 3 paragraphs with each having 2 sentences. These are the different ways to generate sample text in a document. Thank you for watching this video.